Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 祝福，祝福。春节祝语，春节祝语。春节快乐，春节快乐。辞旧迎新，辞旧迎新。岁岁平安，岁岁平安。大吉大利，大吉大利。新年到，新年到。福到了，福到了。开开心心过大年，开开心心过大年。爆竹声声除旧岁，爆竹声声除旧岁。喜气洋洋迎新年，喜气洋洋迎新年。新年快乐，新年快乐。恭喜发财，恭喜发财。红包拿来，红包拿来。测验。A. 新年快乐 B. 红包拿来 C. 春节祝语 A. 辞旧迎新B. 新年到 C. 大吉大利。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。